What's going on, everyone? This is Desmond with Operation Work From Home, where I make videos showing how everyday people can make money online using their cell phone, or as long as you got internet connection, we can help you make some money online. Okay. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And in this video, we're going to talk about Ibotta. Now, if you've never heard of Ibotta, I do believe it has some commercials out now. But it's a quick and easy app to make some money just by buying things. So first you're going to go ahead and download the app. I will have a link to the description down below. Anyway, like in my local area, these are some of the stores that are near. But anyway, you just go, I'm just going to click on Walmart, okay? And it's telling you, if you go there and buy any of these items, they will give you cash back for purchasing these items. So it's really simple, and it will add up after a while. Okay. So what you're gonna do is you select it by clicking on the plus, and then all you have to do. Oh, before I go any further, make sure you read it, because sometimes you might have to buy more than one. So read what it says. Okay. So I'm just going to click on it. It says, okay, you must buy at least 2 items for this to qualify. And then by buying 2, they will give you 75 cents back. And then all you're going to do after you purchase it, you're just going to upload your receipt to the app. And then after you do that, you will get cash back. So it makes it really convenient to use. It's really simple. Anybody can do this, okay? And it gives you, they have different offers all the time, so you want to check back from time to time just to see what the latest and greatest offers are. And you can click on find offers, let you know what different categories they have, and then what did you buy, and it lets you know where do you want to redeem wherever you made your purchase from. And then it has earn more. Okay, so just for referring people, you will get $5. So that is how you can make additional money on how to make extra money just for showing people the same app, just like I'm doing right now. And then they have bonuses down below. Okay, I'm just click on that kind. Okay, all right. It says buy any of these, they will give you 50 cents back. So man, this adds up. It's real simple to do, and this is just a quick video on how to use Ibotta. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.